Hey guys, welcome back. So today I'm going to show you guys how I installed this 100% glueless lace wig from Alipearl Hair. And I love wigs. They're just such great protective hairstyles for my natural hair. So to see how I achieved this look, stay tuned. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you guys how to do this gorgeous wig. Today's wig is from Alipearl and this is their new packaging, and I'm absolutely obsessed with this packaging. Like, I worked with this company before. I don't recall the packaging being in a box like this, so this was really cute. You guys probably already heard of Alipearl. They're very popular. They have a really good customer base. They have great customer service. This is just a really great company, you guys. So if you guys have never used Alipearl Hair before, they have wigs, they have all of that good stuff. Let's go ahead and open it up and see what's in here. And here's the wig. I'm gonna get to that in a second. So along with the wig is also gonna come a few other goodies. So of course we get a wig cap, a HD wig cap, an edge control brush, ooh, a pair of lashes. It just says Alipearl on it with the lashes inside. Also got an elastic band, and of course you get like a little scarf, I believe this is. It's just a pink headband scarf that says Alipearl on it, and this is good for when you want to lay your edges down. Also, I got a cute bag. It's pink, it says Alipearl, and this is for you to store your wig so it doesn't get damaged and it can last longer. So this is super cute. Let's go ahead and open this bad boy up so I can show y'all. And of course it comes in a fishnet just to hold the hairs together and it don't tangle up or anything like that. Okay, Alipearl with the good hair. This is the wig. It looks so freaking good and natural, and it's so soft, like straight out the pack. My first impression of this hair immediately is how soft and full it is. This is a 100% glueless lace wig, you guys, so you will not need any glue, any tape. It's very convenient, easy to do. You can literally slip it on and slip it off. Like, look how good this look, y'all. And what's so amazing about this wig is not only is it 100% glueless, but it's already pre-plucked, pre-bleached, and pre-cut. So the lace is already pre-cut for you. I might trim it just a tad. I don't know if you guys can see it on camera, but it's looking a little zigzaggish because it is pre-cut. I'm just gonna probably cut like a ½ centimeter off. You can see how clean and natural this hairline looks. It's already pre-bleached, so you don't have to do nothing extra. And it's 100% glueless. Like, this wig is ready to go. Let me put it against my skin so you guys can really see what it's looking like and what it's giving. Inside of the wig is constructed just like a normal wig cap. There's actually not that many clips inside, which is actually okay because it comes with an elastic band already installed inside the wig. You could take it out and adjust it to your liking depending on the size of your head. But you do have a clip right here in the middle of the wig, and you could just tuck that under your braid. There's another one right here in the back of the wig. I'm gonna go ahead and snip this tag off. So I'm just gonna go ahead and clip that off real quick. And because this is a glueless wig, for it to lay super flat, you wanna make sure that that elastic band is nice and tight, not too tight, but nice and snug to where it's laying flat to your scalp. You want this to look like it's your scalp. We have our elastic band nice and secured. I love an elastic band that you do not have to sew on. It's just so much more convenience for you, and it's so much quicker and easier. I've seen elastic bands like this before. I've seen Velcro elastic bands, and I've seen the kind that you could just hook on like a bra strap. As long as I don't have to sew it on. Guys, like, I literally hate having to sew on an elastic band. It's just that extra step that you just don't feel like doing. But the convenience of this wig is amazing. Like, all you have to do is throw it on. So let's get right into it. I went ahead and braided my hair down into just 4 little jumbo braids. Boom. So all I want to do is just go ahead and take these braids and just braid it up. I'm just pinning my braids over to this side of my head and putting a bobby pin in just to make sure it's nice and secured. And I'm just going to flip it over, and I just go ahead and take the comb in the back Just make sure it's nice and secured. Pull the wig up to our scalp. What I'm gonna go ahead and do now, just to perfect it a little more, I'm actually going to tighten the elastic band just a little more. I wanna make sure that it's nice and snug and laying flat. I'll go ahead and slick my hairs all the way back. No baby hairs, no edges laying up, so I'm gonna slick it out all the way back. I'm gonna go ahead and take my wig cap, pull it all the way down. So I'm gonna take a little bit of Got2b glue and go ahead and spray my edges so it can lay super flat. I'm just spraying along the hairline. A little bit of this foundation. And this is just going to give a super natural illusion. Like a bald cap almost. I'm just going to go ahead and gently pull the wig forward. So I'm adjusting the wig as I'm pulling it forward a little bit, y'all. So it feels super snug. Who is she? She is giving. Let's go ahead and style it because this wig is about to look so good, y'all. So now that the wig is on, it feels super secure. Like it really does not feel like it's gonna go anywhere. That's good for a wig that is 100% glueless, you guys. We're just gonna make it look a little more natural. I am going to take a concealer, a little concealer brush, and literally put some like right on the tip of it and just go down the part. It's gonna make my part look way more natural. It actually stands out a little more, you know? As for the edges, I'm just gonna take this edge control brush. This is basically what I'm gonna use for this to be my baby hairs. I'm gonna go back in with my little razor and cut that a little bit. And use a little more of the Got2b glue freeze spray. Look at this. It's giving my real hair. And guys, this wig was just so easy to install. Like it literally takes minutes to install with absolutely no skills. Like you don't have to know how to do wigs to do a hairstyle like this. I really want to leave it big like this, but I want to show y'all what it looks like when it's wet. So let's go ahead and spray her down. I am in love. This has absolutely no product in it right now, guys. Like, that looks so good. Let's look at the difference. Like, it's so full and voluminous on this side, which I love. And then over here, it just shows the true length of the hair. Yeah, my camera just died, so I went ahead and charged it. And while it was charging, I'm like, let me go ahead and do my makeup real quick, get cute. I just added a little more makeup to my face. And guys, make sure you're following me on Instagram, Snapchat, because that's where I post all my cute pictures. But while I did my makeup, the wig did dry a little bit, so it just goes to show how quick it dries. I only took about 20 minutes to do my makeup. So what I'm going to do now is just spray it down a little bit more and add some mousse to it, and hopefully that gives it a little more curl definition. We're going to go ahead and go in with a little bit of mousse. This mousse is so bomb, so I'm just going to take a nice little amount. And all I'm going to do is just take little pieces of my hair now and just wrap it around my finger like so. I'm just wrapping around my finger just like that. And all it's doing is just clumping the curls together, giving it a different look a little bit. And you can just see the difference from when you do the finger curls versus the loose curl pattern that it has. And both are pretty. The other side. Make sure you guys are checking the description box down below because I do have ways you guys can save money. Alipearl has an app that you guys can download, so make sure you guys check the description box down below for a link to where you can find that app. When you download that app, you will receive an extra 12% off your order. And on top of that, when you become a new registered user, you will get 300 new points. And 300 new points is equivalent to $5 off. You will receive $5 off and an extra 12% just by downloading the app and becoming a new registered user. So make sure you guys definitely check the description box down below. You know your girl got you with saving some money. Okay guys, so this is pretty much my end results with this wig. And I am just so in love with how beautiful this came out, y'all. Like, it just looks so natural and pretty, and it's so soft. I just want to show you guys how gorgeous this hair is. So this is the texture, the natural curl pattern. Super gorgeous, right? When you take it and do a finger curl, look how good these curls just clump together. It's just so bouncy and pretty. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Share this video with a friend. Leave a comment down below. Talk to your girl, okay? Because I will reply to all the comments. Make sure you guys check the description box down below for details to this wig. This is 22 inches. This is their 5x5, 100% glueless curly wig. It is so pretty. Absolutely obsessed with this wig, you guys. Like, it's so beautiful. It actually looks like my natural hair texture, and I love that. If you guys like this video, give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment down below. And thank you so much for watching. Mwah.